Alright, finally we are rolling, and I'm behind Ed, which is my favorite place to be because Ed is the most interesting person to watch. He gets up to so much shenanigans. I just love Ed, so hopefully we'll get some more shenanigan Ed today. Woo, let's go! Woo, I'm so excited! Some of these standards make me so nervous because they'll like stall and they'll like roll backwards a little bit. Oh, but look at those sweet tires on that black Jeep though, that black two-door. The driver of that black two-door has only got one leg. He also has to manually shift his Jeep into four-wheel drive. Like he crawls underneath the Jeep to do that. So super impressive, and way to go guy, not giving up your hobbies. Very impressive. Okay, I'm about to do a really stupid obstacle. I don't think ooh, I don't know if I can do it. No, I don't think I have enough lift. At least I tried. Well, it's worth a shot, right? I wonder what that bang was though. Whoa, damn. Hard on the boss today. Whew. Holy cow, did you see that wheelie? It's my turn for the first waterfall. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty scared. I'm nervous. Oh no! We're gonna go left then.
Richard, did anybody else do that today? No. Yep, nice. Go through. Awesome, awesome.
Thank you. Ooh. Yeah. That's how it's done, I'm telling you. Not as nearly as close to the wall this time.
My name's Spencer.
Spencer, I'm Kat.
Nice to meet you.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
So fucking way, that's awesome.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna love telling my daughter there's an 18-year-old out here killing girls. How long have you guys been doing this? Forever.
This is my 7-wheeler. This one, honestly, is probably my favorite. I've had the last 3. I've had a front V8s too, so I had one just like this with 350 small block. And I just couldn't stop breaking it.
Yeah, like, I like that. I'm with my all-stars, big stuff. Let's make a hot bus, missed us. And when we do it like that, yeah, the people want it like that. We dangerous, you faking us. We shake it up, you craving us, yeah. And when we do it like that.
Oh, I thought he was gonna roll. Am I recording this? Yes, I am.
Hey, man.
Hang on. He's making me nervous. He's stuck on that log. I wonder if he knows.
Just make it a little fun. Down the creek.
I think he's backing out of it. No, he's going for a run.
Now, more gravel now. More gravel. You got it.
Put this from the outside. No, he's giving it up. Can't blame him, dude. I thought he was gonna roll that first attempt. This is so rocky. Uh-oh, this branch might mess up my camera. Come on, baby! Woo!
Man, this is the waterfall right here. If Sean wants to get out and film everybody going up, but it's just around this end.
You know that second waterfall? That's the one that I had trouble with last year. Okay, let's watch Ed. He's scaring me again. Ed's scaring me again. Almost running into me here. Holy moly. Is Chris gonna get between me and Ed? You can't come between me and Ed, Chris. Makes me nervous when I see the 2-door lifted vehicles having a hard time. Hang on. Let's scrape my dick. Oh, it's his girlfriend filming. And then I just walked through it and I'm like, what was wrong with you guys? Okay, I'm gonna get cocky and then something stupid's gonna happen. I better chill. Oh, dang. And just like that, we're in the snow. Oh, man. And the snow is at the second waterfall. Second waterfall is where I failed last time. There better not be snow on it. I want to conquer it this time. No failure. No 3 tries. is the worst time to hit that button.
The timing on that was like impeccable.
I know.
Good job. Good job.
I'm nervous. And you know what? There's no shame in letting them winch me up if that's what has to happen. Oh, jeez. You'll let me know how it's looking? Oh, yeah. Okay. Would I let you down? Of course not. I can't see the ledge he's talking about.
Now go hard. Fast.
Which way?
You can go either way you want to go.
Let's go this way.
Just avoid the big stump.
Okay. I can do that.
That tends to be a stopper.
Alrighty.
Okay, go. You're good. Good.
Am I good? Are you sure? Okay, we are at the abandoned mine. Holy crap. I was thinking I want to check that out, like drive down there, but I'm looking how steep that is, and I don't think I do. Wow, it's very steep. So Ed says I'm needed. Let's see what Ed wants.
Come on, we gotta do this.
What are we doing?
We gotta get this thing done. Yeah. Look at you. You know what you're doing, man. You do, man. Can you tell it back there, Robert?
Oh yeah. You just got to catch the center
Is it
of it.
Robert? I've been calling you Randall all day.
You call him what?
I met Lori on a run up here to Pine Point. Actually, it was the first run, I think, when she first got her Jeep, and she was scared and nervous when it started. And when we were done, she was full on.
Yeah.
She was all about it.
I've known Lori from day one. She was wheeling, and we started off with snails trails with skips, and I thoroughly enjoyed her every time we met with her. And sometimes she would wheel with Troy, and sometimes she wouldn't. Troy had to work, but she was always a lady, always smiling, and just grateful for everything.
I met her on like her third run, and she was already kind of skittish. Getting her to going up Denver for the first time on her own, that was a blast.
We met Lori up on a snail trail Jeep run, and you know, we just hit it off right away. She's the sweetest lady that I've ever met. You know, she just always brought light to every run that we were on, and we were always happy to see her Jeep whenever we pulled up. So she's definitely going to be missed.
Thank you guys for all coming out. I mean, Lori was really loved, and everybody she touched, they loved her. She was loved, and I can't thank you guys enough for coming out. So thank you guys for coming out.
Thank you.